Cancer cannot cripple love, it cannot shatter hope, it cannot conquer the spirit. Let me tell you how we can contribute for you while you are fighting with cancer. I am Dr. Shivanagini Yalavarthi, Senior Implantologist at Simplerent Immediate Loading Dental Implants. Today, we are dwelling into a crucial topic, cancer therapies and dental considerations. If you or someone you know is undergoing cancer treatment, understanding the impact on oral health is essential. Let's dive in. Cancer therapies such as chemotherapy and radiation can have significant effects on oral health. These treatments not only target cancer cells but can also affect healthy cells, including those in the mouth. Chemotherapy, for example, can weaken the immune system, making patients more susceptible to oral infections. Radiation therapy, particularly when directed at the head and neck region, can cause a range of oral complications, including dry mouth, mouth sores, and difficulty swallowing. One of the most common side effects of cancer therapies is xerostomia or dry mouth. Without adequate saliva production, patients may experience difficulty speaking, swallowing, and even eating. Dry mouth also increases the risk of dental decay and gum diseases. Maintaining good oral hygiene is paramount for cancer patients. Here are some tips to help manage oral health during treatment. First one is to brush and floss regularly. Despite any discomfort, it's crucial to continue brushing and flossing to remove bacteria and food particles that can contribute to oral infections. Second one is to use alcohol-free mouthwash. Alcohol-based mouthwashes can exacerbate dry mouth symptoms. Opt for alcohol-free alternatives to help keep the mouth clean and hydrated. Third one is to stay hydrated. Sipping water throughout the day can help alleviate dry mouth and flush out bacteria. Fourth one is to avoid tobacco and alcohol. Both tobacco and alcohol can irritate mouth and increase the risk of complications. It's best to avoid them altogether during cancer treatment. In addition to maintaining oral hygiene, it's essential for cancer patients to communicate with their healthcare team about any oral symptoms they experience. Your dentist can provide supportive care to help manage these symptoms and prevent further complications. Furthermore, before starting cancer treatment, patients should undergo a comprehensive dental evaluation. This evaluation allows your dentist to address any existing oral health issues such as cavities or gum diseases that could worsen during treatment. During cancer treatment, dental care may need to be adjusted to accommodate the patient's specific needs. For example, dental procedures that could increase the risk of infections such as extractions or implants may be postponed until after treatment is completed. By working closely with your healthcare team and dentists, you can help minimize the impact of cancer therapies and your oral health. Remember, proactive care and open communication are key to maintaining a healthy smile throughout your cancer journey. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, take care.